Welcome back everyone. In this video we're reviewing ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform that consolidates tasks, docs, goals, chats, time tracking, whiteboards and more into a unified workspace. It is highly customizable and has many workflows like custom statuses, dependencies, templates, and flexible permissions fit agile and classic models. You can choose list, board, Gantt, calendar, mind map, box, etc. for versatile tasks, and it has automation for repetitive task assignment, notifications, status updates to improve team efficiency, and it offers real-time chat, threaded comments, collaborative docs, and whiteboards. ClickUp Brain suggests tasks, tracks workload, and summarizes content. Though some users find it less powerful than GPT-4, and it is compatible with Slack, Google Drive, Trello, Toggle, Harvest, and more. And it includes unlimited tasks, docs, integrations, and multiple views, ideal for individuals and small teams. Although many users struggle with the initial learning phase and navigation complexity, large workspaces may suffer from lag, slow loading and glitches, and lacks key desktop-level features and feels clunky on small screens. Reddit users report missing toggle lists, deletions, and automation delays. The refund and support ticket handling may take weeks, too frustrating users, and it doesn't match quality of standalone NLP models like GPT-4. So ClickUp is a powerhouse platform, feature-rich, highly customizable, and excellent value, especially for teams wanting a one-stop solution, but it's not for everyone. If you prioritize our simplicity, speed, and mobile-first ease, lighter tools may serve better. Ideal for creative teams, product managers, remote teams, and businesses needing centralized workflows, but expect onboarding time, occasional slowdown, and to engage with ongoing updates and fixes. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.